Dear students, in this video, we are going to discuss about inserting at end of the list. So see the diagram. This is the existing list 4 and 6 and head contains the address of the first node and if heads previous will be null and then last nodes next will be null. Okay. This is the new node I'm going to create with the address 1000 and the data as per this is 5. New nodes of pre will be null and a new node of next is also null. But when we want to insert at the end means we have to traverse to reach the last node, then only we have to do the insertion part. So here after 6 we inserted 5. 5 addresses, that is the new node's address is 4000 as per this 4000. So here 4000 should be kept so that it is giving link and the new node's previous should be equal to this node, that is 3000. So after insertion the diagram looks like this. So in this case we have to follow the traversing part. Now let us see the coding part for that. So here the function name is insertion at end. Okay, so here with the data 5. Okay, and as usual from main function, if the function is called, it will, the control will come here. Here this is the creation of the new node. 5 statements will be there. First declaration of new node, allocating space for that. Okay, and then new node of data is equal to 5, new node of previous is equal to null, and a new node of next is equal to null, this part. Okay, this is named as new node. This address 1000 will be here, it is pointing here, right? And the next here, if head equal to null, as usual the first case, if head is equal to null, then what is the meaning of that? List is empty. If it is the case, what I have to do? Here I have to add new head is equal to new node so that it will point here, right? So that is what they have done. Head equal to new node. So new node address will be passed to here. First case is done. Else. So this is the part for traversing because I have to reach the last node. So this is as usual for traversing. This is the statement we have to assign like this. Temp is equal to head. And this is the condition for traversing until I reach the last node, and this is the traversing statement. After reaching the last node, I have to do this modification. So let me explain this with the help of diagram. Now let us discuss the insertion at the beginning part. Let us discuss for existing list. So this is the existing list. We have created 5 with the previous also null and next is also null. As per this diagram, its address is 4000, right? Now temp equal to head. I have to traverse to reach the last node. So as usual, I am creating the temp with the address 2000, that is a head. Okay, it is also pointing here. Okay, this is traversing statement. Next, now I will write here, this is temp and this is temp of next, right? Now currently temp is 2000, its next is as per the diagram 3000, right? Now while temp of next not equal to null, temp of next is this, yeah, not equal to null. Yes, true, the condition is true. If the condition is true, it will go inside the loop. Temp equal to temp of next. Now temp value is assigned to temp of next. Currently temp value is 3000. So what happens? 3000. So this link is disconnected. It is pointing to 3000 now, right? Again the loop continues here. Okay, temp of next. Now temp is 3000, whose next is null. You see here, null not equal to null. No, the condition is false because null, both are null. So the condition fails. That means I reached the last node. Now after that the condition fails here, so it will come out of the loop. Coming to the next line, temp of next is equal to new node. New node value to be assigned to here. Who is temp now? This is temp. It's next, this portion. What I have to assign? New node. New node address is 4000. I have to assign. That's what here, right? So that it creates link with this, right? And the next, this portion also we have to. Here who has to come? This has to come. So temp value is 3000. 3000 is assigned to new nodes previous. So here 3000 will go. So that it is pointing here. Okay. So both the links I created here. So at the end of the list, I added the new node. This is the coding part for this operation. So this else part only I explained with the diagram. So I hope you understand the coding properly. Now let us see the animation part for that. Now let us see the algorithm. We created the new node and with the value, and a new node of next is null and a new node of previous is also null, right? Like that we created. And if the list is empty based on this condition, what we have to do? New node of previous is equal to null, already we assigned, and then head value to new node and then new node to head. Okay, this is first case. Second case, if it is not empty, what we have done? We used the temp, okay, that pointer, and initialized the value head, and then we traversed to reach the last node. What is the condition we used? Temp of next not equal to null. Until that we have to reach. Once we reached there, this is the assignment we have done. New node equal to temp of next, that is temp of next is equal to new node, and then new node of previous is equal to temp. So these are the two assignments we have done. So that's all about algorithm for this case. I hope you understand the concept. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section. We will continue in the next video.